Being a fresher and venturing into the corporate life back in July 2020, I faced a couple of challenges in life, and soft skills was one of them. I used to fear and forget facts when communicating in public. I wanted to overcome this fear factor that was holding me back, and stepping out of my comfort zone was the only way to achieve this. When I was introduced to Toastmasters during the Swagat program, I had decided to join in only with an intent to become a better public speaker. But once I joined in Toastmasters, I witnessed a plethora of opportunities here, be it in terms of leadership, be it in terms of different role taking at weekly club meetings, be it in terms of getting evaluated, and so many more. I started my journey at Toastmasters by taking up the weekly club meeting roles such as timer, R-counter, and grammarian, and I was very nervous initially, without a doubt. I also gave my icebreaker speech, and that was one of the most nervous moments in my life on that particular day. But with the constant encouragement and motivation from our club members and the appreciation and applause that I received after my speech, I was much more confident at this. With the beginning of the previous term, I decided to take up one of the club executive committee roles, and I took up Sergeant at Arms, wherein my role was to begin the weekly club meeting with a short speech on conveying the rules and regulations of a weekly club meeting, interact with the guests, and send out a small token of gratitude to all the role takers of a particular meeting. By being a part of the club executive committee, I witnessed myself being much better as a leader, a team player, a communicator, a better listener, and much more empathetic. Most importantly, I also got a glimpse of how deeper the Toastmasters platform is. With the beginning of the current term, I decided to grab this opportunity of being the presiding officer of our corporate club, and for a 23-year-old like me who is in constant quest for personal growth, this is one of the best choices that I've made till date. Toastmasters has been such a beautiful life journey for me along the way, and the surprising element here is that there's always something new and exciting that I'm exposed to. Siemens Bangalore Toastmasters Club has become my second family since I joined in, and we also meet up once in a while virtually to have some late night fun calls wherein we connect with our members personally and have some fun outside of Toastmasters. When a group of people are working towards a common vision and goal, I believe that there's much better scope for bonding, and I'm thankful to Toastmasters Club for giving me such beautiful connections for life. To conclude, I feel happy to have taken this decision to join in Toastmasters, and I encourage you to participate in our weekly club meeting as a guest and experience what a Toastmasters meeting is all about. If you feel that this is something that you're looking forward to, then Siemens Bangalore Toastmasters Club is always happy to have you on board, and I'm sure you'll have loads of growth and a beautiful journey ahead. Thank you.
Good day, my dear friends. I'm Srinivasan, working as a senior system engineer for the PC7 team in Siemens. I have joined Toastmasters 2 years ago. For those who don't know, I'm the guy who has self-pity, inferiority complex, was not outspoken at all. After I joined Toastmasters, it helped me to break all the monotony. My improvement was so evident to the level my co-workers, manager, even my German partner appreciated. Without SBTC, I would have not improved myself. I would love to thank all the members of Siemens Bangalore Toastmasters Club, and special thanks to my mentors Srividya and Toastmasters Sarosh Lavanya. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Toastmaster Manali Balega, professionally a software developer at Siemens Technology and Services. It's always a pleasure to talk about Toastmasters, and this journey is very special to me. I was first introduced to Toastmasters at the orientation program when I first joined Siemens. As a fresh college graduate, I was looking for some extracurriculars other than the normal work, and Toastmasters seemed like a very good option. Initially, I attended a couple of meetings as guest and was enthralled by the speeches that was delivered by the members and also how meticulously they were prepared for the meeting. I immediately enrolled at Siemens Bangalore Toastmasters Club in November 2019. I started off with taking small roles in the meeting, and as weeks passed by, I realized I was getting better. It was like dedicating 2 hours of my time to work on my speaking skills without actually having to plan for it. Other than the roles that I took up in the meeting, I also took some leadership roles at the club, which boosted my confidence to a large extent simply because there was no pressure of failing or to be 100% perfect. This platform understands that and gives ample opportunities to learn from the mistakes that we have committed. The best part of this journey was that I was not a solo traveler. I had a troupe to support me, help me when I'm stuck, motivate me when I felt like almost giving up, and celebrated my success together. In this process, I met diverse people with different interests, hobbies, and culture. I'm so glad to have joined Toastmasters right at the beginning of my career and can already see the difference in me.